Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at creating new scenes and levels in Unity. So what do I mean by that? Well, Unity has the concept of scenes, and you'll often hear it used interchangeably with the word level. So levels and scenes in Unity essentially mean the same. And we're going to be creating some levels and scene to show you how to structure your game. So let me give you a couple of examples of how scenes and level could be used in your game. Let's say you have a side scroller and you have the dangerous castle. That could be an independent level, and then you could have the dangerous plains. That would be a different level. Those are how you would structure your game. You'd have one scene for each of those levels, and you might have scenes for things like the start menu or the splash screen or also the options menu. So you can basically use scene to structure the game in that way. So here's what we're going to do together. We are first going to create a 2D project. In fact, you're going to be doing that right now. So create a new 2D project in Unity, and you should end up having something like this in front of you. So let's take a look. Firstly, I want to draw your attention to the very top of that window, which is the title bar. So you'll see untitled dash some name, and that's going to be the name of your project, or at least the name of the folder where you saved your project, and then a dash, and then PC, Mac, Linux, standalone, or some other build option. So let me give you a little bit of the structure of what you're seeing here. The first thing before the first dash, that's the name of the scene you're currently editing. Between the two dashes, that's the name of the project or the folder the project is saved in. And then after the last dash, that's the name of the build setting you have. So I'm currently set up to build for PC, Mac, and Linux as a standalone build. So now we've got this going. How do we create a new scene? Well, it's quite simple. We go into Unity, we select File, and we create New Scene. And that will bring us to a completely new scene that's untitled. And then to actually save that scene as a file, we go File, Save Scene, and notice that you can also use the shortcuts that will appear on the right of the menu items. So you click on Save Scene, it'll bring up the Save Scene menu where you can type the name of the scene. We're going to start with the start scene quite originally, and now you can see that the scene has now appeared in your assets pane at the bottom of your screen as a Unity icon in the assets pane. And you'll also notice that the title bar has changed once you've saved the scene. The scene name now appears in the title bar with a little Unity icon as well. So that's pretty simple. That's how we create scenes in Unity. And now it is your turn. We want you to create 3 new scenes in the same manner. So you're going to pause this video and you're going to create 3 new scenes called Game, Lose, and Win. And we will see each other once you're done. So see you very soon. So hi and welcome back. How did you get on? Did you manage to create your 3 new scenes? Let's get going and see how we do that. I would just go File, New Scene, and then I'm going to use my shortcut, which is Command Save, and that would go Game, and I can create a new scene. I can use Command N and then Command Save. That's going to be Lose, Command New, and you'll see that the title bar changes, Save, and then finally the Win scene. And now you'll see in my console, in my assets, in my project pane, all 4 scenes I want to create. And then finally, I'm going to go File, Save Project to save my entire project to disk. And that's how you create new scenes and levels in Unity. I hope it was very clear and that you now can create new scenes for yourselves, and I will see you very shortly in the next video. Bye for now.